Think of a study routine as a workout for your brain. Just like how athletes train at the same time every day to get better, you can set up a routine that helps your brain learn more efficiently. A study by the University of Chicago found that students who studied at the same time every day for 5 days a week improved their grades by 10%. That's a significant boost just from sticking to a routine. Just like brushing your teeth every day, a study routine becomes second nature. It's something you do automatically without thinking about it. Your routine should include a specific time to study, a quiet place with no distractions, and a set of subjects or topics to cover. These elements help create a focused environment for learning. Effective time management is crucial for a successful study routine. Allocate your time wisely, so you can cover everything without feeling overwhelmed. The Pomodoro Technique, where you study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break, can increase your focus by up to 30%. That's a huge boost in productivity. Your study routine should balance the time you spend studying with breaks to stay focused and avoid burnout. It's like a seesaw, where you need to keep it level for optimal performance. Here's an example of a study routine. On Monday, you focus on math. Tuesday is for science. Wednesday is English. Thursday covers history. And Friday is a review day. This schedule helps you cover all subjects consistently. Absolutely. Your study routine should be flexible. Adjust it based on what works best for you, but try to stick to a consistent schedule. Flexibility is key to finding what works. Here's a chart to help you visualize your study schedule. Use it to plan out your day and stay organized. Visualizing helps make the routine more real and achievable. Imagine trying to read a long book without breaks. Your mind would get tired and you'd miss important details. Same goes for studying. Think of your study routine as a carefully crafted recipe. Each ingredient, task, is essential for the final result. Just like how a busy chef has their peak hours, your brain also has its best learning moments. Time it right to maximize absorption. Imagine a day where you wake up, review your notes over breakfast, tackle some problem sets during the afternoon, and then spend an hour summarizing what you've learned by evening. Your study routine becomes a natural part of your day. Active studying is like cooking a meal from scratch, while passive studying feels more like opening a pre-made sandwich. Active learning helps you retain information better. Building a routine is like planting a garden. It takes time, but each week brings new growth and better understanding of what works best for you. An effective study session is like a well-orchestrated symphony. Each component plays a crucial role, ensuring you absorb and retain knowledge. Follow these steps to create your study routine. First, identify the subjects you need to cover. Next, choose a specific time each day. Finally, find a quiet place with minimal distractions. These steps will help you build an effective routine.